Hello! Somebody asked for a lesson for the song Γιατί, μετανιώνεις. So, here it is. The rhythm of this song is a little tricky, so let's first take a look how it is played on drums. Let's first start with a simple rock rhythm. One, two, three, and four. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, when we play the bass drum that is on count 3 a little earlier, then we get this. And that is exactly the rhythm that you can clearly hear in the song. So how can we play this pattern on the piano? The easiest way is to play a bass when you hear the bass drum and a chord when you hear the snare drum. So in the first example I was playing a simple rock rhythm. So on the piano you can play that like this. One, two, three, and four. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now you can play the bass that is on count 3 a little earlier, and then you get this. So to hear clearly the difference, I will first play the bass exactly on count 3 and then a little before count 3. So if you like, you can use this pattern for the song, which is easy, but I made a nice accompaniment pattern, but this one is a little difficult to sing along with, but with some practice I'm sure that you will manage. Let's see the pattern for a simple C chord. After every bass there is a rest. And now a few more times and a little faster. Now very slow. And if you want to do another chord, you can do like this. Now a little bit about the chords of the song. I don't play the song in the original key, I play it in C minor to match better with my voice, but I will leave a link in the description for the song on Kithara, but make sure that you use the corrected version. And then with my Transpose software you can transpose it to any key you like. Now the chords in this song are very simple, but you might be confused by the minor 6 chord. So let's see a little how chords are built. A normal major chord is built from the first, the third and the fifth note of the scale. So if we want to play a C chord, we can look at the scale. So we have the first, the third, and the fifth. So this is the C. And when we want to play a minor chord, then we play the third one step lower. So you get this. And then a sixth chord just means that you add the sixth note of the scale. So the sixth note of the C scale is the A. So if we want to play a C sixth chord, we play this. And if you want to play a C minor 6, we play this. So, and like this you can easily figure out every chord. Now, you will have noticed that now suddenly you play 4 notes instead of 3. So, what do you need to play when you use the accompaniment pattern that I showed before? So let's take a look at that. It always depends, of course, a little on what sounds nice, but one thing that you can always try first is that you don't play the root note, because you play it already in the bass. So, for example, when we start now with the song, which starts for me with a C minor, we have this part. So when it would continue with C minor, we would get this. But halfway it changes to the F minor 6. So we get this. So here you can see what I'm doing. Normally the F minor 6 chord is this. But I play only the last 3 notes, so this one, and this one, because I play already here the bass. And it sounds very nice when I play it like this, so. Now I will play the chords of the verse how I would play it, but you will notice that at the end I play something different than the accompaniment pattern that I have shown, but that is very easy to see. Άλλαξαν τα πράγματα πια, όλα είναι αλλιώς. Έπαψα να σε θυμάμαι, πέρασε καιρός. Διαλέξες τον δρόμο σου, έμαθα πια μόνος μου, και έχω συνηθίσει λίγο και στη μοναξιά. I found it difficult to play along with the pattern that I made, but of course everything is a matter of time and practice. But I like the pattern because it is close to the original rhythm of the song. But of course, you can use also other accompaniment patterns, like this. Άλλαξαν τα πράγματα, πια όλα είναι αλλιώς. Έπαψα να σε θυμάμαι, πέρασε καιρός. Διαλέξες τον δρόμο σου, έμαθα πια μόνος μου και έχω συνηθίσει λίγο και στη μοναξιά. You can even play a waltz, for example. Άλλαξαν τα πράγματα, πια όλα είναι αλλιώς. Έπαψα να σε θυμάμαι, πέρασε καιρός. Διαλέξες τον δρόμο σου, έμαθα πια μόνος μου και έχω συνηθίσει λίγο και στη μοναξιά. But of course that's a little weird. Now that I'm thinking, this song could be also suitable for a sabbatical, so let's give that a try. Άλλαξαν τα πράγματα, πια όλα είναι αλλιώς. Έπαψα να σε θυμάμαι, πέρασε καιρός. Διαλέξες τον δρόμο σου, έμαθα πια μόνος μου και έχω συνηθίσει λίγο και στη μοναξιά. Γιατί το μετανιώνεις τώρα πες, που ήξερες πως ανοίγες πληγές κάθε φορά που έλεγες δεν θες, εσύ κι ας με πληγώνες. As you see, there are plenty of possibilities. You can just play whatever you find sounding nice. And if you don't want to sing along with the song, you can play the melody with your right hand and play an accompaniment pattern with your left hand. So something like this. But there are, of course, many more patterns that you can try. So, I hope that this video was useful. Thank you for watching. Ευχαριστώ.